Hey everyone, I'm Praveen and welcome to AI Sparks, where artificial intelligence meets innovation and excitement. On this channel, we spark curiosity and ignite imagination with AI-powered insights, tutorials, and explorations. From machine learning to robotics, we'll dive into the future today. What if an AI could rewrite the way it thinks? Not just once, but continuously, improving itself like a scientist refining a theory. This is the idea behind GEPA, Learning to Evolve Reasoning Policies by Kushal Arora and Aditya Grover. Instead of static prompts, GEPA introduces a system that learns better reasoning strategies over time, not just answers, but the process behind the answers. So how does it work? GEPA builds something called a reasoning policy. Think of it as a playbook guiding how the model approaches problems. First, the model generates reasoning traces, step-by-step thoughts. Then, an evaluator scores them, not just correctness, but quality of reasoning. And here's where it gets interesting. The system updates the policy itself based on feedback like evolution, strong reasoning survives, weak reasoning gets replaced. Under the hood, it's a loop. Start with an initial policy, generate multiple reasoning attempts, score them using a reward model, or even human feedback, then refine the policy. This can plug into existing LLM pipelines and supports different evaluators, making it flexible across tasks. But there are pitfalls. If your evaluator is biased or weak, the system learns the wrong habits, and over-optimizing for one signal can make reasoning fragile. A practical tip: use multiple evaluation signals, combine correctness, coherence, and diversity. That leads to more robust policies. What's powerful here is the shift. We are no longer just prompting models, we are training how they think at inference time. That's a big leap. And this opens the door to adaptive AI systems, ones that improve with use, refine their reasoning, and potentially generalize better across problems. So the question is, if AI can evolve its reasoning, what happens when it starts discovering strategies we didn't even design? If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment which AI system you want to build next. Stay sparked. See you in the next video.